The caged bird. There was once a bird born inside a cage. It had wings but no sky to fly in. Every day it looked up, watching others fly free. Something inside whispered, "One day I will too." The cage hurt its wings, the world laughed, but the bird never stopped trying. And one day, with one final push, the cage opened. The bird rose higher than ever before. It realized it was never without wings. It was only trapped by fear. Remember, you were never meant to live small. You were born to fly beyond limits.